Now for the defining of soil conditions, that is bedding pressure, settlement. So how we simulate the soil conditions in the software. I will go in the define soil subgrade modulus. Here is a soil defined previously, that is the previous defined function. Now I will create a new, add new property, soil boundary, yeah, soil spots. So soil spots. So what is this soil subgrade modulus? There are four options. uh, Linear, it will take both, as a if there is any compression or tension, that is a tension only, and that is a compression. We in our footings, all the loads are acting on the footing as in a compression sense. The footings are trying to compress the soil, so that's why we select this compression only. And here is a soil subgrade modulus. What is the difference between soil subgrade modulus and bedding pressure? Here is a soil subgrade modulus. Bedding pressure is the pressure, for example, force per area, but the soil subgrade modulus is the pressure per settlement and deformation. So here pressure is allowable bedding pressure, deformation is allowable settlement in the foundation. For example, allowable bedding pressure, after the soil testing report you get 200 kPa, and allowable settlement is 25 millimeter for the isolated footing. The soil subgrade modulus will be K is equal to 200 divided by 25, that is the millimeter. For the conversion into meter I have divided by 1000. Now the answer is 8000 kilonewton per meter cube, or you can say 8000 kilo pascal per meter. So this value you will put if you have the properties of the soil 200 kPa and the settlement is 25 millimeter. So here I will put 8000 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. Soil spots, I will again modify it. It is for isolated footing. Okay. Then in the design we will check three things. If our pressure under the footing is less than 200 kPa, our allowable bedding pressure, then it is okay. Deformation should be less than 25 millimeter. For punching shear it should be less than 1. Preferable should be not more than 0.9. We will see in the next lectures. Tips: if you are failing in any check, bedding pressure, deformation, punching shear check, go towards the following change. Inputs like geometry change, length, width and thickness of the footing and material property. For example, if my pressure, I am failing in pressure, so I will just increase the area of the footing so that my load spread into the more wider area. So I will also discuss in the next lecture. So here it not allowable settlement for isolated footing 25 millimeter, allowable settlement for mat or raft foundations, that is a 50 millimeter. The above calculations are for isolated footing, and for raft and mat foundations I have to divide in the under with 50 millimeter. So just I will put here calculate the 200 divided by 50 divided by 1000, so bracket close, equal. So here the answer is 4000. I will just go in to property, add new property, or I can just make the copy, add copy of the previous property. Now the soil conditions is for soil spot for mat foundation. Okay, the value is 4000. Okay. So that's how you will simulate the soil conditions in SAFE software. So how we can make the footing and apply these settings I will discuss in the next lectures.